Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this stitch. You see that puff stitch, it looks so nice, and you can use it any way you want. If you want, you can make a blanket with that, or you can use it with your summer projects like summer tops or even bikinis. It's up to your imagination, I think. I use cotton yarn for this piece, and now I will use wool. It's light yarn, it's size 2, and I will use 3.5mm crochet with that. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's start. I will start with the slip knots. And we will make chains multiples of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just keep making like that. I think that's enough for me. Just add one more chain, okay? Turn and skip this first one, and into that second one make the single crochets, okay? Put single crochets for all the stitches. Actually, some of you must know I like to use the back loop of this chains because it looks more good like that, but that's just a demo, so I didn't make it like that. And if you are making a blanket, you will make a edge too, and that's not too important. I complete this row. You must have multiples of 4 again, okay? Then chain 3, turn your work. That's my first double crochet. I will skip this first stitch because of this, that's a double crochet. And into the next one, make a double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook here, grab the yarn. Yarn over, pull it through from 2 loops. Yarn over and pull it through from second 2 loops. We will not make anything with this 2 double crochet, and we will make 2 here too. You can think this one's like edge, okay? Our stitch start from here actually. Make a double crochet and one more. We totally have 5 double crochet here. Now turn back, yarn over first, and insert your hook here. I want to show you clearly. You see, that's my third double crochet from here and here, okay? And that's the stitch I made this double crochet. I will insert my hook here again, okay? Grab the yarn, insert my hook here, take the yarn from back and take it front, okay? Yarn over again, make it again, yarn over and make it for one last time. I have 7 loops. Yarn over and pull it through from first 6 loops. Okay, I leave this first one. And then yarn over and pull it through from these 2 loops. Now we made our last double crochet here. Okay, don't miss this one. We made last here, and we will skip this next one, because if you didn't see this double crochet, you can skip here and make your next double crochet here. That will be wrong. Okay, skip this one and make 3 double crochet again. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, turn and insert your hook here. Grab the yarn, one more, and third time. Okay, yarn over and pull it through from the 6 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull it through from 2 loops. That's my last double crochet stitch. Skip this one too and make 3 double crochet again. 1, 2, 3, and make it again. Insert your hook here, grab the yarn, insert again and again. We take this 3 loops into the same stitch, okay? We always go into the same stitch. And close here. That's the last double crochet stitch. We have 3 stitches here. Skip one and into the last 2 stitch we will make 2 double crochets. And it looks like this right now. Chain 1, turn your work, and into that first 2 stitches make single crochets. You see that 3 stitch here. Actually we have 4 stitches here. 3 for double crochet, 1 for this puff stitch. Okay, we will make her 4 double crochets, single crochets here. Okay, and we have the next 4. We will make them 1, 2, 3, 4, and again we will make 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will make 2 more. Okay, that's the first one. Second one, into that chain, 3 chain. Chain 3, turn. We will repeat the same pattern now. Skip this first one into the next one, make a double. Make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, turn and into that 3rd double crochet from here, into that stitch, yarn over, grab the yarn, yarn over, take the yarn and make it 1 more time. We have 3 loops, 6 loops. Yarn over and pull it through from 6 loops, okay? And yarn over and pull it through from 2 loops. That's my last double crochet you see here. I'll skip this one too. Make 1, 2, 3 double crochet, and into that first double crochet stitch, 1, 2, 3, make a puff, skip this, 1, 2, 3, turn, and 1, 2, 3. We have 3 loops, skip 1 and make 2 double crochet, chain 1 and turn, and make the same thing again. Make your single crochets. Just you see the stitches, don't miss any of them. Okay? Almost at the end. I made 1 here, and that's the last one. I have 16 stitches totally, and that's the right side of my work, but you can use the wrong side too, it looks nice too. And I think that yarn will work for this stitch. It looks nice, and that's it. I hope you like this tutorial, and if you like, please don't forget to push the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Since Crochet is my Instagram address, you can reach me there too, and I like to read your comments. You can leave comments and say hi. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.